In a purely hypothetical scenario, consider having median wealth in India and accumulating its equivalent amount annually with the goal of matching Mukesh Ambani's wealth, the richest man in India in 2021, measured either in United States dollars or purchasing power parity. It would take approximately 30.3 or 8.73 million years to reach its level, respectively. Now, suppose you have median wealth in Estonia, the most equal country according to Credit Suisse. Here, it would take 44.8 or 33.16 thousand years, respectively, to be as wealthy as Christopher Kaman. Welcome to our 8th video series exploring the trends in global income inequality between the 1970s and the 2010s, along with the policy recommendations. Data for this analysis was obtained from the United Nations University World Institute for Development Economics Research. I utilized 3 measures of income inequality: Gini coefficient, the ratio of top 10 to bottom 10 income earners, and the same ratio for top and bottom 20. Examining the Gini coefficient reveals that countries with the lowest income inequality, that is, first quintile, are in North Africa, Asia, and Europe. Those with the highest inequality, or fifth quintile, are in Sub-Saharan Africa and South America. A similar pattern holds for top 10 to bottom 10 ratios, with Canada showing high income inequality exceeding 20.14. The United States ranks among countries with the highest income inequality in the top 20 to bottom 20 measure. Hovering over regions, one can observe the clarity of Europe and Central Asia compared to the darkness of Latin America and the Caribbean and the Sub-Saharan Africa. Inequality is decreasing rapidly in North Africa, in the Middle East and Sub-Saharan Africa, but rising across all indicators in North America. Income inequality is highest in low, lower middle, and upper middle income countries. Among high-income nations, Saudi Arabia, the United States, and Chile have the highest income inequality. While data was patchy in the 1970s, especially for African and Asian countries, recent decades show an increase in data availability. Notably, observe the significant decline in inequality in Kenya and Tanzania. Throughout all decades, Latin America, the Caribbean, and the Sub-Saharan Africa consistently exhibited the largest income inequality, while Europe, Central Asia, and South Asia have the lowest. 2 major policy recommendations are proposed for reducing global income inequality. First, ensure equal opportunities for all. Enhancing access to essential services and opportunities such as investing in education, skill development, and healthcare can diminish poverty and enhance social mobility. By establishing a society that is more empowered, equitable, and just, with opportunities for everyone to succeed, we can mitigate income inequality. Second, cultivate genuine virtues in individuals and governments. Developing qualities like love, mercy, cooperation, empathy, kindness, and selflessness can foster a culture of care and sharing. Genuine compassion encourages individuals to view each other as siblings and to shoulder each other's burdens. Governments prioritizing these virtues are more likely to implement policies promoting equality, fairness, and justice, such as investing in social safety nets for vulnerable populations. This approach can foster social harmony, cohesion, and a stronger sense of community, ultimately contributing to a more equitable society. However, instilling these virtues is challenging, especially in societies deeply rooted in individualism and materialism. It necessitates coordinated efforts from all sectors, including schools, religious institutions, media outlets, and community organizations. In this project, we analyzed global income inequality and provided policy recommendations. In the next one, we will conduct a global analysis of job engagement and disengagement rates. Until then, goodbye for now.